Your iPhone can do way more than you think. In this video, I will show you 7 tricks most people have no idea exist. Before we start, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new tip. And if you like this kind of content, I've got a whole library of iOS tutorials on this channel worth checking out. Now that that's out of the way, let's start. 1. Drag files between different apps. Open the Files app, find a photo, and instead of copying and pasting, just press and hold it. Now, with your other finger, exit Files and drag it directly into the Notes app. It drops right in, no copy-paste needed. It works with any kind of file and multiple apps. 2. Prioritize downloads. If you're downloading or updating several apps at once and need one of them right away, press and hold that app's icon on your home screen while it's downloading and tap Prioritize Download from the menu. It jumps to the front of the queue and finishes first. 3. Save a full web page as PDF. Open any web page in Safari, then take a screenshot by pressing the side button and volume up button together. Tap the screenshot preview in the bottom left corner, and at the top you'll see 2 options, Screen and Full Page. Tap Full Page, then choose Save PDF to Files. This is great for online recipes and similar things. 4. Live text. Point your camera at any text, a sign, a menu, a document, and you'll see a small icon appear. Tap it, and the text becomes selectable and copyable, just like text on a screen. It can detect phone numbers, dates, and even addresses. 5. Make any app a widget. Long press any app icon on your home screen and you'll see small squares appear at the top. Tap one of them to instantly turn that app into a widget, right on your home screen. Works with almost any Apple or third-party app that supports widgets. Long press again and tap the 4 square icon to turn it back into a regular app icon. 6. Widget stacks. Once you have 2 or more widgets on your home screen, drag one directly on top of another. They combine into a stack. Swipe up or down on the stack to cycle between them without using extra space. 7. Compress files into a zip file. In the Files app, long press on one or more files and tap Compress from the menu that appears. Your iPhone instantly creates a zip file. No extra app needed. 7 tricks, 0 extra apps needed. If you learned something new, subscribe for more hidden iPhone features and check the link in the description to follow me everywhere.